How to find late BeReal notifications, settings, location on Android or iOS phone. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points, and here we'll find the notifications settings. Now click on it and then scroll down, and here you will find the late BeReal, and that's it. You can turn it off or on, it's easy. And if you can't find it here, then all you need to do just go to App Store or Play Store and make sure your BeReal is updated. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.